if I'm not
It's a
mistaken.
week later than we were here last year.
We're staying here on the top floor. I think there's just the one on that. You're always slow. I always have to wait for you.
Cameron, there were 3 waters and a Coke and a little side thing and it wouldn't close.
Brenny's coming in because what are you going to do while I'm checking in?
Get us some games.
That's right, because there's a little game room and a little like book nook library up top. And here's the entrance.